Hi guys, I'm vlogging after so long. I'm right now headed to Colaba and I'm with Priya. It's so freaking hot outside and we are going walking. Also not sure if you can hear me, but yeah, I'm trying to vlog in public for you. Okay, so I haven't even entered the Colaba causeway yet and I just met a viewer. Hi! Her name is Mukta.
I'm so glad that I met you.
I'm so glad that I met you.
Thank you
You
so
want to say
much.
something else?
I just want to say that she is just amazing.
And
The way she is on.
Acha, so am I like the same item?
Yes, that is exactly what I'm trying to say. She does the same. She's super cute. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Bye.
We just got done shopping. She's exhausted. I am also exhausted, but she's more exhausted than me. And we are just going station now. Look at this bag. A haul. I kind of filmed for 2 videos, a haul and a challenge, which will come up this Friday. So yeah, I'm excited. Do you think it was a good day? Or just very tiring?
I'm very tired.
She has a coffee in her hand, so that's good. Okay, now I'll just go home. Honestly, tired. What's up, you guys? I'm with Priya again. It's like I only have one friend, and that's Priya. So we are heading somewhere. I was at a meeting first, and now I just met her, and we are heading someplace just to chill and have fun. That's it. We actually had to film a video, so that's why we met. We are done with the video, and now we'll just chill. So yeah.
Coffee.
Coffee, yeah.
You're with me. So you have to drink coffee with me.
Okay, I don't sleep at night then, so you'll have to give me company.
Yeah, I'll give you company, don't worry.
So this is with me, like if I have coffee after like 2 p.m.-ish, I won't sleep before 12 for sure. Maybe 1:30-ish. Yeah, that's just my problem. Anyway, we'll just eat it. And I'll see you guys when I reach there now.
When love comes in, ooh la la la, love comes in.
Oh my god, they spelled my name right for the first time.
1 hour later.
Like a loser, I didn't vlog my food. Now I'm going to parcel this and bubble tea. It's Friday today and my energy level right now is like 0 because it's already 5 and I just got done shooting the last portion of my video and I had to shoot it against the white wall, so I hope the footage is fine because this black and white, I don't know, I just find it really boring. My hair is looking like a mess. It's so effing hot and I don't know how to shoot videos in this heat. Like I haven't even applied like a full face makeup. I have no foundation on. It's just compact and my under eye color corrector and the concealer. That's it. Also the eyebrows and liner and lipstick. That's like just my everyday thing. But I don't have foundation on and still I'm like sweating like a pig. So I don't know how bad this is going to be. Anyway, you gotta do what you gotta do. So now I'll just sit and edit and upload the video by 8 today anyhow. Fingers crossed. I was planning for 6 but it's 5 already. So now 8. Have to do it anyhow. Let's go. Guys, it's pizza party tonight and my favorite topping about pizza is this. Sorry, pizza topping, my favorite is this. It's red chili and the seeds are very less in this and it's not really spicy, like I love them. And obviously mixed peppers, onions, corn and some basil. So this is what it looks like I have covered already. And yeah, I already have a video on how to make pizza, like it's within a video, like 10 things to do in summer, I guess. Yes, I'll just maybe link it down in the description box. So if you want to see how exactly I make my pizza, you can check out that video. Sunday cleaning. I just cleaned arranged all my makeup. So I have all my blushes here and my eye products here and a lot of lipsticks in this box. You have to see this box. Wait, okay, I'm sorry, I'm gonna remove this again. Okay, so you have to see this box. It's from Nike obviously, and oh my god, like ignore this. But it's all the NYX lipsticks that I have, and and some Nika lipsticks, the new ones. Also, we'll just ignore this. It will be done like this space inside, so I'll just keep it. So I'm just trying to arrange, and it was a really hectic Sunday. But look what I found. I found this lipstick. Not sure how many of you remember. This is the first ever lipstick that I bought, I guess. There's no brand. It just says professional for makeup artist. It's not at all professional. It's like plastic. It's like Barbie lipstick. You know, those Barbie dolls has those kind of lipstick. And then a lip gloss. It's like among my first makeup products. It is so funny. Started from the bottom and now we are here. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do now. I'll just shower, have my lunch, maybe watch Netflix 13 Reasons Why. Like I need to finish it. Okay, so the thing with 30 Reasons Why is that I find it depressing, but at the same time I want to know what happened. So now in the second season, okay, no spoilers, but it's like a little, you know, courtroom thingy and all of that. So I kind of find interesting thoda. And I also found this necklace. Like, who would wear this necklace? I don't understand. Like, it's just ridiculous why I even got it at the first place. I got it from Colaba at least 7-8 years back for sure.
When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la.
Okay, hi guys. So it's the next day, it's Monday today, and I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. So here I am saying goodbye and also saying something that I really wanted since a long time. I wanna, like, you know, weekly vlog only when my week is interesting. Like since past few weeks I haven't uploaded any vlog, and that's because I was focusing on my main channel video, and I feel, you know, really motivated to do all that main channel videos that I'm doing currently, hauls, challenges and all of that, and I have really fun things planned ahead. So I'll just vlog my week when the week is interesting, and I hope that's like fine for you. I know a lot of you wait for my vlogs and all of that, but this is what my normal week looks like. I especially wanted to vlog this week so that you know how, you know, time consuming a main channel video is, and because of that I don't get to vlog a lot. And in the past, a lot of times I used to just go out because I didn't had anything, you know, special for my vlog, so I used to just go out for that. Last 2 weeks I was so much at peace because I didn't have to carry my camera everywhere and just vlog. Yesterday night also I forgot to carry my camera, so I had to vlog from my phone. That's why the footage is like that. But I'm really enjoying, you know, creating good content for my main channel videos, and that is really helping me grow as well here. Like you can see, since past few days we have grown a lot. So I hope you guys understand. And yeah, also, yeah, I have oil in my hair. It's like oily hair Mondays because today I'll be just sitting and editing this vlog and uploading it, and tomorrow I have fun things planned, so stay tuned for that. I'm trying my best to post 2 times a week. Maybe there'll be a weekly vlog, maybe not, maybe like a main channel video, hauls, Q&A or anything like that. I'm not stopping Dhwani's diary. I will post vlogs when I, you know, there's like something really interesting and something that I wish to share with you guys. And otherwise, if my week looks boring, just like this week did, I won't vlog. I'll instead post like a Q&A haul or something like that. Anyway, I don't want to make this video super long, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you want me to do more vlogs, then please don't forget to give my vlogs a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have a lot of things planned for my main channel videos, like Fridays upload, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.